Olympics second time around. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, that's how we start. We USA right now. We got the legends over there. You see what they got going on. Ain't nobody got gold medals like them folks over there. Oh, nobody got... Boy Slim with me, Tyler, see the specs. Again, man, always eating. Goat. That's a goat interaction right there. That's a goat interaction right there. You see my boy in that cream? They don't got that one right there. They don't got that. They don't got that one. Oh God. Right here. Oh yeah, these my fellow Americans right here. We got Wardell, the photographer. Yeah. Yeah. Standing like Captain America, boy, ain't he? That boy got posture, boy. That boy got posture, boy. Stop playing with Bron.
Captain the ship.
You see him? I'll get the video.
He hears it. He knows what he's doing.
I know. Look at Trigger Bron. Check him out. Bron going crazy. That's what I needed. USA, baby.
Yes,
Holidays. That was a nice run. Shout out Brazil though. She did her thing.
Bronze medalist.
What's up? What's up? Dinner with the fam. What's up, good with the camera? Huh?
You're right for the best times.
Hey, literally, right on time.
Devin.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Film? Yeah. World will see soon. Authentic.
Like football.
Yes, sir, man.
Yeah. Going on 3, man. 1, 2, 3. Go. Good job, boy.
What got them going like that?
Yes, sir.
What we got to do? Light skin ass nigga?
What Cool say? What Cool say? I'll do it.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. The fuck? I'll do it. Oh, God. Position, he turned through that bitch and
Oh,
stuff.
man, he ain't want to fuck with me. He doing this step, bitch. I'm like, bro, let me go that bitch, bro.
My boy Ella's working overtime. You know, stop soon. Yep. Y'all know what these boys doing.
Good job.
Yep. Crazy at the game, man. Them boys that is down. That is down about 17, 13 to start the fourth.
Congratulations, guys.
Appreciate that. I know you're rooting for France. I know you're rooting for France. Look, coach is taking our swag. Check him out.
Quick for us, please.
Some legendary shit going on, man. One more to go. Road gang. You know what we doing? You gotta go, motherfucker.
Hey, man, we got to go, man. You know what I mean?
What you doing?
Hey, you can't no fish watching my pole, Jack. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, 2 times. What's up? Two time. You was there. Yeah, you got two. You got two.
Nah, what you want with the game?
Hey, return to sender, baseline drive. They leave my boy. What? Thought I was gonna shoot that bitch a tall ass Wimby coming at me? Hell no. Baseline drive. I had to go tell him to go grab you. Scared. Yeah, you say this is a good spot for me? What you got there, man?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you turn it around.
Yeah,
that's all you gotta do. Start and stop, and then just zoom in, zoom out. All right. Once you zoom in on something, let it focus. You know, we don't do that silver shit.
Representing the United States of America, Devin Booker. Please stand for the anthem of the United States of America.
Mesdames et messieurs, les médaillés olympiques.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. That's what you doing? Yeah.
Hey, man, say, man.
Uh-huh.
He gonna cost you a dime, stay out of mind. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
See you in LA, boy.
Come on now.
Yeah, I'll see my boy in LA.
Hey, you know what I mean? Me and Book run the show in LA. You know what I mean?
Go ahead, then. Joe, what you gotta say to them folks, bro? Why they booing you, bro?
I don't know. That's long too.
Why they booing you, bro? I got you.
Congratulations.
I appreciate that.
God bless you. Congratulations.
God bless you. God bless you. Yup. I thought we was about to lose, man. I thought we was about to lose, y'all motherfuckers. Like, golly. Scrappy motherfucker here.
Yeah, good game,
Picking
guys.
up full, getting every steal. See with the GOAT.
Next season.
What's that? 6.
Yeah. Chapter 2 on the way. Yep. You know what to do with that?
Hell no.
You know what to do with that?
Not a clue.
Guess what I brought with me? What did you bring? Yeah. 2 times. I was like Phelps on a.
Keep playing. Early years.
Mm-hmm. See y'all in LA. See what we doing. And I flexed that metal one time. Thanks, sir. Oh yeah.
Up with me?
Come on, boy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. See, I'm looking for you. Return to center. I flexed that metal one time. Welcome to Trey File. Well, the hell kind of material you got on this motherfucker? That's that motherfucking candy pack. Straight up.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
fuck with me, twin. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yes, sir. What year you was born, bro?
2000.
Let me get that off you then.
2000.
That say 96 on it?
Yes, yeah, done.
Yeah, let me get it.
I got 3 minutes in case it do.
Appreciate that. Come on. Get my hot. My boy Casey put together this shit go crazy. I'm gonna tell Nike I need that merch right now.
That's tough.
It's the bag up. It's the fully booked.
My homeboy.
That's tough.
Ain't gonna put me in the campaign. I'll make my own. How about that? I'll make my own. That boy got the game ball. That's the game ball? Damn. These folks vibing on her. Yeah!
She said them hands on the leg.
Oh shit, watch out, Ed. Nah, he's gonna show you how to do it.
This nigga a pro. All right, bro. Golly.
Hey, don't even get no fit.
Golly. Let the court go now. Watch your face. Yeah.
Come on, Ed. No, he ain't been there yet.
Yeah.
Me been having class and back up with and 6 with the guy.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Spielberg. Okay.
Yeah, stop playing with Pops.
Yeah.
Stop playing with Pops. Stop playing with Pops, man.
He got
Yeah.
an American flag scarf on.
Stop playing with Pops. Stop playing with Pops.
Scarf.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Shoes signed, white and blue.
Hold up.
Yeah. Liski. What we doing? It's 2 time, bro. We wasn't leaving here with no rose gold or none of that bullshit. I was thinking I'm not playing in that bronze medal game, I'll tell you that. That'd have been a strike.
Yo, shout out to 2 times.
2 time. Big book.
Amazing work, man.
Appreciate
This team book, man. We all played a role into this shit, man.
Well, I already know.
We love what you're doing, man.
Yeah.
Representing us well. I love you, son.
Love you too.
What you do, all right?
Appreciate that.
Let's
Love
get
you.
it.
Love all y'all.
Salute.